everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
Yes friends, in the continuation of our training series, in this lesson, I will talk about what volume is. Volume indicates the total trading in a market. So, the more a coin is traded, the more it shows us how much or how little it is being bought and sold. In the section shown here, I find the trading volume by writing vol. And here, I am adding the trading volume. The trading volume is shown below here. As you can see, the trading volume is displayed above a candle here. On the left side here, the trading volume is determined for us in this section. 31,121 units, or approximately 31 million Bitcoin, have been traded here. Look, here it approaches 11 million and approximately 31 million Bitcoin have been traded here. Look, here it approaches 11. Here it is 13 million. So, what does this trading volume tell us, despite being present in every exchange, and why is it so important? Let's discuss these points. Now, trading volume actually shows us the intensity of the transaction and how accurate the price is. For example, if apples are sold for 1 lira in a market and during the day everyone buys and sells them for 1 lira, the general price in the market is 1 lira. He is wandering around there. So, even though the price of apples drops to 50 or 40 kurush when there is little buying and selling at the evening market, we know that the actual price of apples is 1 lira. Why is that? When there is little trading, the price is actually false. This means that low trading does not reflect the true price. If someone bought 1 Bitcoin for 1 lira on an exchange, then there has been a trading volume of 1 lira there. However, the price of Bitcoin is not 1 lira. Therefore, let's examine these reliable and high volume exchanges. In other words, we are analyzing Coinbase. The highest volume is almost the true price. Now let's examine the daily chart of Bitcoin here. As you can see here, let's take a look. Let's examine the places where volume has surged. Here, we see that the area where volume previously increased significantly is regarded as the point where the downtrend ended. As you can see here, and a new uptrend is beginning. As you can see, a significant increase in volume indicates a change in the direction of the trend. So, what has happened here? Here, there is an upward trend. And after the volume rises excessively, look here, it is rising excessively, and now a downward trend begins. Again, here, the volume rises excessively, and an upward trend starts. When the volume drops, again, we see that the volume has actually risen excessively. So, an increase in volume indicates that it will change the trend. Does low volume really reflect that price? For example, here the volume of Bitcoin is very high, and suddenly that upward trend turns from a bull season to a bear season. Well, after this high volume, the volumes have dropped significantly. This low volume indicates that the price is not real. So we can examine this better on the hourly chart. As you can see here, we see the total trading below. For example, the volume has decreased here. As you can see, when the volume is low, we understand that the actual price of the coin is not what you see. And volumes show us whether trading volumes will indicate if formations and indicators will work correctly. Low volume indicates that the current price may be erroneous. Let's also examine this in the context of a coin with low volume. For example, there is a coin called CHZ, which is Chile's. In Chile, there are extremely low transactions and extremely low volumes. Here, as you can see, at extremely low volumes, the price does not reflect its true value, meaning that its value is not what it is, because no one is buying or selling it. Friends, that is what it means. So, we can think that the real price is not this at such low volumes, but that it is at high volumes. Look, the volumes have increased here and returned to the real price. Therefore, we definitely trade at high volumes. We analyze the charts at high volumes. Look, here we see that when there are high trading volumes, it has started to decline again. For example, let's look at this on the weekly chart. Currently, there is an upward trend on the weekly chart, and we can predict that after a while, due to the excessive increase in volume, it will start a downward trend. Therefore, an excessive increase in volume indicates that the trend is likely to change direction. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all a good day.